Greetings everyone. Hi, I am Vasugar, being born and brought up in Sangrur, Punjab. My father is a businessman and my mother is a homemaker. I did my matriculation from Jano Gnam Singh Public School, Sangrur, and my 12th from Bodadal Public School, Patiala. I scored 9.4 CGPA in 10th standard and 91% in my 12th class examination. While growing up, I always wanted to serve the society and hence I got into Army Institute of Law where I am pursuing my Bachelor's of Law degree. Getting into one of India's top ranked institutes of law, it is my immense pleasure to be studying in Army Institute of Law. At Army Institute of Law, we are exposed to great opportunities. Every Thursday, there is an activity organized by the college where we get to interact with eminent dignitaries who have excelled in the field of law. Time and again, various events are organized by the college like seminars, moot court competition, debates competition, Models United Nation competition, and parliamentary debate competition as well. Apart from this, we are also able to meet the people from various law fraternity like judges from the Supreme Court, High Court, Trial Court, and ex-parliamentarians also. Coming to the academic portion, in my first year of law, I topped in subject of contract. In second year, I bagged second position in economics, owing to which I was awarded with the scholarship of 11,000 by State Bank of India Chandimandir. In third year, I bagged second position in subject of jurisprudence and overall third position in my batch. I am generally among the top 5 students of my batch. As far as my extracurricular activities are concerned, my team bagged runners up position in national moot court competition. My research papers got also published in various esteemed journals, and I used to take part in various debates, Model United Nation competition, and parliamentary debate competition. As far as my sports are concerned, I used to play cricket and football in various fests competition. As far as my cultural activities are concerned, I used to take part in bhangra and singing competition in fest competition. So coming to goal of my life, as I have already stated, I want to serve the society directly. So I want to be a judicial officer with which I can able to fulfill my ambition of my life. As temple of justice, being served by judicial officer is the right path where the society is served directly and trustfully. With the help of this scholarship, I shall able to get into coaching institute with which entirely take me close to achieving my life goals. I would like to thank Gulam E Vanwati Memorial Scholarship Fund, which will able to clear my education successfully. I am highly thankful to your esteemed trust for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much again.